Well, getting the core support welded in. He's working on the brackets. It's been hot as Sadie's balls out here. Got the fan trying to kick us. Feel good a little bit. But made the cuts for it. The relief cuts for the wiring. Like I said in the other one, got the radiator pushed back. Other relief cut. Made a new bracket for, or new support mount for the battery tray because that was all rotted out. Going to be getting the wiring squared away. Fenders are aligned. The doors are on now. They're pretty good. Going to get some new seals for it. They shut beautiful. Working on the bed probably tomorrow. Front end should be done tonight. The guy's coming for it for Monday around noon. So got a long work ahead of us, but we're going to get her done. Weldy. Here's the other side. These doors, both sides are on. Both of them open the same way. Good fitment. Shut. I said we should have the front end done tonight. And then all we should have left is the rear. He's going to finish the bed. So we're just going to make the braces for it. Run the wiring, get that all cleaned up, and then spend the rest of the day doing the finishing, adding the interior, making sure everything's where it needs to be, nothing's, dragging or going to get caught up. But it's coming along. She is almost done. This one's been a slow, steady process, but we're happy with it. Hopefully he will be. All right, y'all. I'll let you later. We don't just work during the day. We work at night also. On 8 o'clock here in Florida, but it's coming along. Don't let that camera fool you. It picks up real good light, but we should be able to have this front complete tonight. That's not including the lights wired up, but that's everything bolted up to it. All right, keep moving on. Well, we are pushing ourselves to finish this. Working on the wiring. Going back to the back. Working on the back. Bracing this up. Working on the welder. Yeah, we're on the push. Has to be done by 9:30 in the morning. So, a little bit behind schedule, but that's how it would be. Still got to put the interior in it, so can't really see in there, but I'll tell y'all it's not in there. Just showing y'all it's late. But working on this wiring. It's definitely been fun. All right, catch y'all up here and again a little bit. Well, y'all, these lights were interesting. They're not like the 70s, which I'm assuming 73 all the way up to 79 would be the same. These other generation of the F100s, you literally got to splice the headlights into it, then splice the turn signals into it, and make sure everyone's feeding right. But I think I got it. There we go. Turn signals. Oh yeah. Yep. Brights. Yep. Little figuring out, but the front's done. Moving to the back. Hey y'all, just want to clarify something that I'm going to say in the video next. It's about the vehicle being mechanically sound. I said it because the gentleman didn't want anything done to it, and again, it wasn't the fact that the vehicle needed anything done. It was just kind of the CYA, cover your own ass. Now the truck ran, it drove. He drove it here 5.5 hours, and he ended up driving it all the way back home. It's just, he didn't want anything done to it. When I do these, like the other ones I did, granted they were mine, but I mean, I checked the spark plugs, checked everything out, just did a complete maintenance over it. Oil change, transmission, the diff, I just, gave it a complete, overhaul. And that's what I like to do, because you got the vehicle already torn completely down. Why not do it? Yes, it's an extra charge, but why not do it? It saves you down the road of having to do any of this maintenance later. And again, you got everything exposed, so why not go ahead and do it? That's even changing the heater core. You know, if it hasn't been changed and you don't know when it's been changed, why not change it since you're right there? But I just kind of wanted to clarify that's the only reason I said it, is because he didn't have anything, you know, he didn't want any of that done. Sorry. It was just literally cut the bodies apart, weld them together, and send it on its way. So again, if I build any of these, this is what I'm looking to do. I'm not just looking to slap your body together. I'm not looking just to send you down the road. I generally like, you know, to give you a complete, you know, once over on your vehicle. Check your tie rods, ball joints, front complete suspension, you know, do a transmission flush, oil change, you know, the coil packs, the plugs, you know, service your diff at the same time. I'm a mechanic by trade, so I don't like to send something out down the road that can't swear by mechanically. That's why I know I did it to the blue truck, I did it to the red truck, and they will go anywhere. You know, they're reliable. It's because I went through and I mechanically made sure that they were solid. You know, as the build, as everything put together, I can swear by that 100%. Ain't nothing's gonna go wrong there. It's just I can't swear mechanically because I wasn't able to touch any of that because he didn't pay for any of it. But I'll continue in the video. I appreciate y'all again. You know, talk to you later. Well, believe it or not, it is 3 something in the morning, and this thing is finally done. Mechanically, I can't swear by it. She ain't want nothing mechanically done, but it is on. Here she comes. I know the video sucks, but can't help it for being 3:15 in the morning. Take it for a test drive. All lights are on. Race lights work. Time for a little ride. This is the end of the 69, y'all. I don't know what other builds we'll be doing. I don't know if there will be any, to be honest. But here she is. Another one down for Holla Boys. Alright, y'all. We appreciate you. Appreciate y'all hanging out for these journeys for these last 3 vehicles. It's been a very big learning experience. Maybe we'll catch you on the next one. Holla at you later. It's heading on.
The next question we'll talk about is how to put the dashes in them.
Heck yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Trying to keep it to original.
Yeah. You look good in it though.
Brother, I'm so happy you don't know. Thanks again.
Yeah, man.